see all of them done they notice. I'm not joking, all my guys them.
I'm going in with some Aquaphor to protect the skin around my eyebrows. The kit I'm going to be using today is from Amazon, and I'll link it down below. I'm going to brush my eyebrows up, and in the kit it comes with 3 separate packages. The first one being the lift, and it also comes with the tools. So I'm going to take the number 1, and I'm going to use the tool that comes in it, and I'm going to use that to apply the solution or product to my eyebrows. I'm also gonna add in here that I'm starting or doing this with a clean face and no makeup or any sort of skincare on my face. So after I put that in, I brushed it up, and then I'm using cling film to I don't know, the directions say put cling film, so I'm doing that, and I'm going to let it sit for about, I think I did 10 minutes. Now I'm just taking a regular cotton pad and I'm wiping off the product. I'm going in now with number 2, and I'm going to put that in the same thing like I did earlier. Just putting that on, and I'm going to add the cling film on. And for this one, I kept it on for 8 minutes. After the 8 minutes is up, I'm using some micellar water and a cotton pad to wipe up the product. And now I'm using number 3. Number 3 is more so of an oil, so I really didn't need this tool, but I decided to use it for the purpose of the video. So I'm just adding that on there to get the final look.
I'm not joking, all my guys them know me since